In this video, I'm going to install Carlink Android Auto adapter. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. It's a small plug-and-play device that enables wireless connections with your factory wired Android Auto. USB-C up on top and a USB-C type A on the bottom. And we have your two LED indicator lights. And on the sides are your air vents. Measures at 3.15 inches by 1.81 inches and 0.51 inches thick, and weighs in at about 1.23 ounces. Includes USB type A to USB-C and a USB-C to another USB-C. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. You have your box. You're going to go ahead and simply plug it in. Then we go into your phone's Bluetooth. We're going to go ahead and look for AutoKit. Go ahead and connect to that. And we're going to hit pair. Right now it's registered. We're going to go ahead and hit enable. Then we're going to go look for Android Auto and go ahead and click on that. Now you're set. Now let's go ahead and test the steering wheel controls. We're going to go ahead and talk to Google. What's the weather today?
Today in Seattle, it'll be mostly sunny with a forecasted high of 79 and a low of 61. Currently it's 71 degrees and cloudy.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.